I could climb like this, it means I could contest in Olympics as one of the climbers representing Nigeria. Wow. Tourists are moving up and down, deciding on which level they want to play on, they want to swim in. But me, I'm interested in going to see the 7th stage before anything. Good day, hold on. Wow. Thank you. Ow, oh. Thank you very much. Woo! I almost fell, and a friend dragged me up. So that's the 3rd stage. I'm going to see the 4th stage. Sorry. The 4th stage. We're still moving up. Now up like this, you see another waterfall. That's the 4th one. This is amazing. This is amazing tourist destination for Nigeria. Wow. Sorry about this. Which way? That way? This way? Wow. I can really go to Olympics and represent Nigeria. Which way? Like this. Wow. Like this. Okay, I just missed the road and my tour guide corrected me. Well, this is the 4th one. We're supposed to go down. That's the 4th stage. That's the 4th waterfall. That's the 4th wonder of nature in Ijesha land. And I'm going close. I need to be careful. That was close. That was close. Probably because I'm wearing canvas and it's a bit slippery. So I got to hold the twines. Look at that. You have to be holding this while climbing. Otherwise you slip right through, down the hill, through to the rocks. I know what that means. Woo! Fun! That's the 4th one. Where does that place lead to? Okay, I should get close. How could I have missed this? Eh?
Go to your last one.
Okay. They are used to it. The fourth one, the fourth waterfall, the fourth waterfall. I made it to the fourth. I made it to the fourth. You can see that many stopped at the second one, some stopped at the third one, but I am here at the fourth waterfall, the fourth stage. 3 more to go. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Now this is as far as I can go because I need to climb more. So this is as far as I can go. So look at the beauty of that fall. Look at that. The fourth stage. You can't beat this. In the entire West Africa, you can't find something exactly like this. 7 stages of waterfall. Wow. Wow. This country is blessed. So we head to the 5th stage. Which way? Back. Oh my God. Oh my God. So we're going up to the 5th stage. And remember, as you climb up, the force of the water reduces as you climb up. As you get to the other stages, the force reduces. That's what my tour guide told me. But I want to see. I want to see by myself. Like this. This way. Honestly, I'm tired, but it's worth it. Sorry. Heading to the 5th stage. Wow, wonderful. That's it. I'm heading to the 5th stage with my tour guide. Up. Oh. Ah. Okay, better like this. This one, 5th one. Hear that? This is the 5th stage, but I'm hearing there's no water here. But let's see the sight of the entire community. So I have to descend. To get to every stage, you have to descend, especially from the 3rd stage, so that you can go and see the exact spot where the waterfall is. The 5th stage. Wow. This is scary. Wow. 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 This is the 5th stage. The 5th stage where you see the entire city. This is the 5th stage that's dried up. But this is where you see the entire city. Have you seen down there? Down there, that's where we came from. Wow. That is Ijesha land, where we came from, down there. You can see, we are now high up the mountain. This is the 5th stage, but it has dried up, but this is where you get the view of the city. Look at that. Wow, oh God. It's scary though, but that's Ijesha land down there, several thousand feet above the ground. So, let me head to the 6th stage. Where did we come? This way. 6th stage, second to the last stage. Oh my God, this is wonderful. My legs. I'm getting tired, but the tour guides do this every day, sometimes twice a day. They don't mind. Once the box, the money is coming. I should go up. Which way? The 6th stage. I'm heading to the 6th stage. When you come here, you don't have to get to all the stages. You can stop at the 2nd one, you'll still enjoy it. 3rd one. If you're not ready, please don't try this at home. You don't have to. You got nothing to prove to anyone. Just relax at the 2nd or 3rd stage. If you can get to the 4th stage, fine. But this is something else. My laps, my legs. Is it still far? No wonder I advised me to get a bottle of water.
Yes.
But it's spring water now. Nobody can drink it.
It's drinkable.
I'm going to drink.
This is where we get to the system. There is still water in the system.
I don't know where I got this energy from. The 6th stage. I'm heading to the 6th stage. The 6th stage. Yeah, that's the way to the 7th. But this is, let's see the 6th first. Whoa, whoa. Remember I said you have to descend. To descend. Oh, ow. Good. My leg. Wow. Wow. So that's it. You just have to descend to be able to see the stage. You have to descend. Then get back up and climb up further to see the last stage. So we're heading down to the 6th stage. Sorry. So I have to move gently. How can you miss this? Nowhere in West Africa can you find this waterfall you are seeing in Ijesha land. We're heading further down where we can spot the 6th stage. 6th stage. I've done well. Approaching the 6th stage. Approaching the 6th stage. Wow. Approaching the 6th stage. Wow. 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 6th stage. So this is the 6th stage. You can see It is lower than others. But this is the 6th stage of the waterfall. Let's head to the last stage. Wow, wonderful. So let's head to the last stage, 7th stage.